Ooh, child, y'all, it's a very, very rainy day today, okay? So I was gonna do a couple things today. I was supposed to get me at least 2 pairs of slippers. Go to the mall, go a few places today, but it's too rainy, so we have to go back home, okay? We can't have Brianna out and it's ringing. That's number one. And then number two, people are bad drivers. Everyone, I don't know, the rain just makes everything crazy, okay, and chaotic. So we're on our way back home. Hey, anyways guys, so we're gonna try this again. It's a new day, it's sunny, bright, and sometimes the rain just comes out of nowhere, okay? So anyways, we're gonna try this again. I have to go and get me 2 pairs of slippers. Y'all should see the shoes I have on now, okay? Sharblies. People gonna look at me and judge me, but I don't care. I really don't, okay? Hoop in my belt? Okay. But anyways, we have to stop at the mall. What else we gotta do? We have to go a few places because I have to go to the hair store as well. I want to see if they have any clip-in. Oh my god, you guys. Let me tell you something. I'm gonna be relaxing my hair. Like, I've tried, okay? I'm gonna be relaxing my hair. Oh my god, I said I wasn't gonna do because I wanted locks, but you know what? I'm gonna get locks in my older age, okay? When I'm ready to settle down. But I'm not. I'm the type of person I like to switch it up, okay? I want to switch shit up. So it don't make no sense me getting locks. So I don't want to go through that. Me grow my locks and I want to cut it off because no, I just don't want to, okay? So, oh my gosh, this is like my third time trying to pursue locks. Anyways, I'll get you guys later.
Broken glass while I'm thinking in my head. I mind my own, I don't even break a sweat. Oh, this matters is insane. Why you still live in vain?
Hey y'all, anyway, so I'm out of the shoe store. I didn't record Negro because I don't know, it was so empty and only 2 people was inside there serving, and it's so small, like, and they were just looking at me. I got 2 pairs of slippers. I should have got 3 because the deal is real, okay? It's very inexpensive. I'm gonna show you the shoes when I reach home because I have to go to the beauty store. Hopefully I record inside there. Baby, oh gosh, I have to get used to this public fucking recording. Ugh. Look at this woman here. Like, I was hoping that one day my natural hair could fit in one like this. God damn. One day. Ooh, child. Anyways, y'all, let me make Brianna a bottle. Okay, before she starts. I just have to make a bottle ahead of time while we're on the road. Baby, we don't want no problems with the queen. Usually I have a rose bottle ready made, but and the water usually stay hot for at least an hour or an hour and a half. But I didn't make none because she just ate before we left. So yeah, I'm gonna add the scoop first because down my throat. You delicious.
Yes,
Best Bay, Uplift Auto Parts on Wolf Road is Japan. The only auto supply store that has everything for Japanese cars. Service kits for Nissans, Hondas, and Toyotas. And you can find all your AC parts. That's it. Drive cool the summer, you know, with parts from Uplift Auto Wolf Road. #1 in Japanese auto parts.
Oh my god, they have it, but only 2? What the fuck?
Japanese parts.
This ain't gonna make no sense.
Auto Supply. Call 698-205.
This. Get me relaxed so at the same time. Hey y'all, so anyway, so we're back home. So before I show you guys what I got, let me tell you something, okay? Let me give y'all this show what happened to me, okay? So y'all know that I wear aluminum free deodorant. If you guys didn't know, now you know I wear aluminum free deodorant, okay? So I have like big pussy bumps under my arm. If I go back to regular deodorant, I will be crying. I will be in excruciating pain. So that's why I had to switch. When I was inside the store, the beauty store, right? I smelled this aroma. All I could smell was pure and I was like, this can't be me. I was in denial because I was like, this cannot be fucking me smelling like this. Okay, just showered and put on my deodorant before I left the house. Okay, so I was like, everyone's walking up and down in the store. AC is piping. It's like, oh my god, I smell horrible. Okay, it's me, and I continue to look for what I was looking for because, you know, in my mind I still was in denial. I was like, you know, I showered and did everything. I scrubbed my arm the other day, but the whole time it was me. Okay, it was embarrassing. Okay, and I know people knew it was me because I was piping. Reached back to the bus. My boyfriend was like, you know, your arm stinks, right? And I was like, oh my god, it was me. It was me the whole time in the store. You know, I mean, you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not that embarrassed. Let me stop acting like I was embarrassed because I continue to shop. Okay, knowing it could be me. Yeah, that's just something that happened today I wanted to tell you guys. You know, people talk about the aluminum free deodorant online, and I was like, you have to probably reapply more than once, you know. Baby, I've been using aluminum free for like 6 months. I don't know. I never really used it in the heat. Like, I never walk up and down and shit like that. I was pregnant, so I used to bathe, lay down, and relax, and that was it. Well, baby, when you're moving up and down in this heat, child, I don't know what to tell you, girl. Baking soda works for me, but it peels my arm and it irritates it a little bit. So I can't really fuck with baking soda like that. But anyways, I have a solution for my problem now. I have a solution. Baby, let me tell you something. If you're using aluminum free deodorant, let me tell you what to do, okay? Get some bleaching water, clean your arm, bleaching water after you come in the shower or while you're showering, and put on your deodorant after. Big difference, trust me. But I didn't do that because we ran out of bleach, okay? We have to go to the grocery store. But yeah, I don't know why. I thought about sharing a story with you guys. But I might help somebody use the bleach, okay? Use the bleach. Anyways, let me show you guys what I got. I got these cute little brooches for Brie. Oh my gosh, these are so freaking cute. I couldn't let these pass inside the store. Baby. These are so cute. I love the clear and the pink. All she have is pink stuff, okay? Pink clothes, everything. So it don't make no sense me getting a bunch of different colors. And I also got these like bow. Brie doesn't need a bunch of shit for her hair, okay? Bree's still a baby. Okay, she don't need them huge ass bows and shit. I don't like how they look. When she gets older with a lot of hair, then she can use those stuff. But we're gonna keep them nice and simple, okay? We're not gonna be doing no big ass bow with my baby here. I don't like those big ass bow, okay? Like I said, when she get older. And you all see that I picked up my olive oil relaxer. And I also got these 12-piece wig clips. I need to get one more pack. I actually got 2 packs. I need to get one more pack. Yeah, and these were the large set. But the large set was cheaper than the small set. The small set was like $8. Anyway, I need to go back for a small one because it makes sense for me to get the small ones too. I hope this is the right thing, okay? Because this is my first time ever going to be wearing clip-ins. What else I got? Yeah, I got a pack of rubber bands. So put it here in some popcorn. I don't know. Like, I don't know if I want to put her hair in the popcorn now because she's only 4 months. I was going to wait until 5, 6 months, but I don't know. I had like 2 little popcorn in the front of her hair and it really pulled out her hair, okay? You really see the length of her hair. So, and I got 2 pairs of shoes. I have one on now. Let me show you guys. I got these. And let me show you guys the next one. And I got these. Okay. I was going in there for a hot comb as well, but I don't see they didn't have the hot comb. People say the hot comb works just like the flat iron, but I don't want to. I don't know. I just want something like comb to my hair and make it straight. I don't want to be doing no flat iron shit using the comb, but the flat iron, no, too much. Okay, that's it. It's hot. These clothes need to come off. And it's after 5, so I need to make something to eat. I haven't ate from all day. Okay, I had some coffee. That's it. Yeah. Irish bananas being Rudy. Stinky pants. Yeah. Mama gotta eat. Anyways, y'all, it's later on. It's like later on in the afternoon. This is my dinner. I was gonna have rice, but I was like, no, I had rice yesterday. Chicken breast, veggies, and I have some ranch on the side and a big cup of water, and that's me for the day. It's after 6. Hey y'all, so anyways, it's the next day. We have to go back to the beauty store again, okay? Because I have to get me a mousse for my hair, and I need to find me a a conditioner for Brianna's hair, because girl, that shit is rough, girl. Like, I wouldn't say rough, but it's tanglish. What the fuck is tanglish? Anyways, it is tangled, okay? And whilst because I'm washing her with just shampoo, she needs a conditioner, okay? And I was about to get a regular conditioner. I was like, hold on, no, I cannot do that because she's still a baby. She's gonna be screaming, you know, her eyes are gonna be burning or whatever like that. So I had to get her like find a baby I don't know, conditioner, and then I have to get me some next clip-ins, okay? I'm gonna get me the small ones, because yeah, I have to get small ones, okay? I have to go back to the same beauty store that my arm was high in, and yeah, y'all gonna see me again, but this time I'm clean and fresh. I was clean and fresh yesterday too, but baby, let me tell you something. When my boyfriend came home, he came home with the bleach, and I went straight inside the tub again, okay? And I cleaned my arm with some bleach, and my arm is just fine. I did not use bleach again today. My arm smells pretty good, okay? Yeah, sure. Like, I'm telling you, bleach. Use the bleach. If your arm does stink, using aluminum-free deodorant, use the bleach, okay? Anyways, I'll see you guys when I reach the store. So, back at Beautylicious. Anyways, you guys, so we're back. I'm hungry. It's after like 12, going up for 1 o'clock. I'm gonna make my first meal for the day. So while I was inside the store, I don't know, this lady, like she kept on following me. I don't know. She probably owned the store or something like that. I think Indians own the store. I don't know, bro. But it was weird, okay? It was very uncomfortable. I don't know. I must look like I came the teeth or something, girl. I don't know. I'm gonna make me an egg wrap. I'm hungry. That's all I have to say before Brianna starts. My little egg wrap with some cheese, leftover egg. It's actually after 1. It's like 1:30. Like, what the fuck? I thought it was after 12, girl. Anyways, let me bust this down and yeah. Okay, you guys. Time to bed, Brianna. Finish my little first meal for the day. Damn, my nails stink. I'm just hot some water for her. Now, child. It's like 1,000,000 degrees, but sister want hot water, okay? Yes, she is hungry too because she's crying.
A broken glass while I'm thinking in my head. I mind my own, I don't even break a sweat. Oh, this matters is insane. Why you still live in vain? I'm not the one, you're the victim of your own mistakes. It's sad to hear the lights under the street lights, under the street lights.
It's on, child. It's like an hour and a half later. As y'all can see from the video, Brianna was can't on so bad, okay? It was her nap time, so she was not having she was not having me to beat her, okay? God, she was can't on bad. Anyways, she's finally down. Anyways, guys, so I bought this lip gloss in the beauty store. It has like pigment in it. So I'm gonna try this on real quick. See how this looks. It better look fucking good. Let's spend my money on it. There she is. Anyways, I'm gonna try this one and come back. She's cute. I like her. This is mango butter and berry. Mango butter and berry. And this is really, really sweet. Oh my god, this is sweet. Don't buy this for your kids. Don't buy this for your kids. They gonna eat it. They gonna eat it. I'm telling you. Anyway, and I also got this mousse. I never tried this mousse before. It's an olive oil and mango butter design foam. We're gonna try it, okay? When I relax my hair. Hopefully this lay and slay my hair. Okay? Yeah. She better work. She better work. Let me smell this. I didn't even smell it. Okay. I don't know. I really can't smell it. I also got this little moisturizer for Brianna hair. I think we used to use this when I was younger. Pink oil moisturizer hair lotion. If I like it, I'm gonna buy the big bottle to it. Okay. I just wanted to test it out to see. And I was happy they have the small bottle. They didn't have a lot of things at a small bottle. Okay, so people can test it out to see if they like it or not. Okay. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. So the next video, you guys probably see me. My hair should be out. Okay, I'm gonna I don't know, either today or tomorrow I'm gonna start sewing on my clips. Yeah, my clips. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. The last time you see me, I probably have clip ends in or not. I wonder if this hole will still open up. Girl, I'm gonna try that. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.